One of the biggest marketing mistakes I see dentists make is hiring their friend or family member to do their website or marketing. And although their intentions are good, typically the results are not. Some months ago, I spoke with a dentist who bought a practice here in Southern California. Well, his brother-in-law was supposed to be helping him with his SEO, his website, and Google Ads. His brother-in-law kept saying, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. 7 months later, this dentist is now desperately calling me saying he doesn't have patience to fill up his chairs. So what can end up being originally a good thing, which is, hey, you have a friend or a family member who's going to help you out, can sometimes actually hurt your own marketing. Think about it. That person, maybe they're a friend or a family member, loves you, but they might not be an expert when it comes to dental websites. They might not know how to improve your SEO or how to run Google Ads for a startup or whatever it may be. So although you do have friends or family members or your front desk daughter who volunteers to help you, it might not be the best choice. And as my friend and colleague Minal Sampat might say, your marketing might be killing your own business. Again, my name is Kayvon Mott with the DocSites. I help doctors get the most out of their website and marketing. If I can support you, feel free to reach out to us here at DocSites.com.